Probably not. Some brokers describe the explosive debuts of all three Japan Post companies as a huge surprise, others as a big relief after a decade of nasty political wrangling around the privatisation. More recently, the market wobbles over the summer cast doubt over whether perennially conservative Japanese investors, for whom 80% of the issue was earmarked, could be whipped up into taking the risk. Well, most immediately, the Tokyo stock market can return to some normality. It's difficult to overestimate the extent to which this IPO has dominated the past couple of months. In the longer term, there's the question of how much courage the Japanese government takes from this with other projects. There are reckoned to be about 140 state-owned companies around Japan that could potentially be sold off now. Yes, but it's not as big or as ready for risk as Prime Minister Shinzo Abe would probably like. Superficially, the Japan Post IPO appears to have helped that along. But the purchase of the Japan Post trio does not necessarily count for its investors as much of a risk. The brand is very strong, and most of those who subscribed probably see it as very modestly risky alternative to long-term bank deposits they would have likely had in the post office anyway. Potentially a lot, but this is Japan, so everything, good and bad, will, just like the IPO itself, probably take a very long time to unfold.
Giles, it's Casual Friday, as our viewers will be able to tell from our jeans and rumpled shirts. And in fact, it's so casual that the Bank of Japan has decided to do nothing whatsoever. Is there anything to be taken away from all this casualness?